Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my journal, which is Sophisticated Florals, and it is the classic size happy planner. As you guys know, I Frankenplan, so all of my planners live together, and today I am going to be planning for January 24th through the 30th using Amber Plans Her Day, as well as Indigo sticker book, and possibly some washi, who knows. So first I wanted to go ahead and pull out the Amber sticker book. She has some beautiful winter elements that I wanted to use, and these snowmen are just too cute not to use in my spread. So I'm gonna go ahead and start placing the stickers down. Look at him going down, it's so cute. Okay, if you are here for the first time in my channel, welcome. I really hope you like it here, and if you are joining me again, thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me. I really appreciate it. Okay, so these little snowmen are just adorbs. So you have some kid snowmen, some adult snowmen, some beautiful love scenes and fun in the snow type of thing. So I just wanted to go ahead and embrace all of it, just all of it. I mean, we have so much snow in here that whatever, I mean, it is what it is. And Amber also includes beautiful boxes, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them, especially as this is my journal and there's no rhyme or reason to how I decorate this. I just fit my writing around whatever I put down in this planner. I just hope that nothing huge happens that week, because if something does, it might not be a lot of room. But I've also have been thinking about that, and if that happens, I'm just gonna add a page, no big deal, right? And I usually have extra of the stickers I used, so I can just continue decorating until everything is balanced again. So I've been thinking, you guys, I know. And if you haven't seen all of my flip through videos of all of my planners, I suggest you check it out. Those are probably my favorite videos to binge watch at the beginning of the year, is all of the flip throughs of different planners and their spreads and ideas. It's seeing everything at once, which is so cool, right? A year in memory is pretty cool. So and of course, if you don't know, this is probably my favorite planner of all, because I actually don't have to do stuff in here. All I have to do is write things that I really think about or enjoy, and that's hard, but at the same time it's easier than actually physically doing stuff all the time. So, and wellness is probably my least favorite planner, because it reminds me of sometimes my crappy diet and that I haven't been taking my meds all the time, like all of the stuff that I don't want to remember, my wellness planner reminds me of. So it's probably the most important in my life, but it's also my least liked one, and that makes sense, right? Okay, so beautiful. I love blues in my planner. I am using the Indigo and and Year to Shine, both of those sticker books. So this is Year to Shine actually, and it has enough blue sticker boxes to add here. And then I'm gonna add another circle, because why not? I love journaling in circles. There's something just about it, the way it looks, the way it feels, it's fun. Okay, so I am lifting this little guy up just a little to place a sticker down, and then he's gonna lean and drive into this circle of snow. Okay, so now I'm in Indigo, which is such a fun and beautiful book. It has a lot of these fun washi strips and kind of denim looking boxes. It's so different and I enjoy it immensely. Okay, so let me put this sticker down, and now that I have found washi correlating with this, and I know that I can bring this in. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna be adding these strips really quickly to my spreads. And then even though this is a paper strip, I still use the little cutter and it works just fine. So what I'm doing here is just adding the washi strips, and this brings in like all of the color and the design of it together. There's balance and it's not fully just all over the place. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna lift this one and make like a little stage for these two because it's so cute. And then add another strip that will go into the circle. And behind this little guy. There we go. The only thing I'm missing in this book is like big blue quotes. If I had those, it would be pretty cool. Like not headers like this where it says important and stuff, but actual quotes. Anyhow, so let's add those. I'm picking the dark navy color to adding to the spread, so I'm adding today, family time, and kinda important, and get it done. So I like these almost like marker swatches on here. That really does bring something to the spread. I'm gonna add this box really quick. And it kind of adds that same errands type of thing. And now I'm going to take all of the snowflakes out of Amber Plans for Day sticker book and spread them throughout this spread. And that should do it. So let's take a look really quick and figure out what that's going to look like. Balancing this will be kind of important because it's going to make it either very elegant or too busy, or just kind of fun, which that's what I'm going for. I'm going for the kind of fun, as the spread is just like super different from what I would normally do. It's little characters, it's not necessarily girls, it's no florals, so it's different for me. And with that, I am going to add that blue little swash in there to write on, and then I'm gonna add maybe that one, maybe not, maybe I will leave it alone. And I think I am done with my spread. If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment. I really appreciate all of your comments, and I will see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for spending the time. Bye!